I am your loyal servant and your country's queen, us a pair of pretty twins, burdened by our destiny. Let hellfire consume me if that's what must be done. I will gladly play the part so that you may shine, my sun. On the day the two of us were brought into this world, the bells gave their blessings to us twins, a boy and girl. But for reasons that we were too young to understand, we were separated, I could no longer hold your hand. If the whole world plots to extinguish your light, if they find the need to make you break and cry, don't you worry, dear, I am right by your side. So just smile for me, it'll be alright. I am your loyal servant and your country's queen, us a pair of pretty twins, burdened by our destiny. Let hellfire consume me if that's what must be done. I will gladly play the part so that you may shine, my sun. While running errands in the country to the east, I ran into a fair maiden with hair of deep green. Her smile and her voice to me were sent from up above. Something moved in my chest, you might even call it love. But we know all good things must come to an end. It is my queen's orders, the girl must repent. I will grant your wishes if that's all I live for. So then tell me, my son, just what caused these rains to pour? I am your loyal servant and your country's queen, us a pair of cursed twins, bound to bloody destiny. Your highness, brioche will accompany your tea, and you clapped your hands with glee, so innocent and sweet. It appears that soon this country will meet its fate, torn to pieces by its people, crumbled under their hate. The masses claim that justice will be brought on us today, but I won't see it through, they will not get their way. Listen now, my dear, give your clothing to me. You and I will switch and away you must flee. You will be okay, we are twins, don't you see? They won't know now, dear, don't look back and just leave. I am only the double, the true queen runs free, us a pair of broken twins, damned by cruel destiny. If the devil's your lord, as the masses curse your name, then I'm a demon too, for our blood is one and the same. Long ago there was a kingdom ruled by a queen. At that time the two of us were barely aged 14. A daughter of evil doomed the kingdom from within, but the story's life, for she was my precious little twin. Finally the path to extinguish the light. If you find my heart beat, we keep passing by. Don't your eyes right, dear, I am right by your side. So just play this whole thing as you call me my life. I am your loyal servant and you're my precious queen, us a pair of pretty twins, burdened by our destiny. Let hellfire consume me if that's what must be done. I have gladly played my part so that you may shine, my sun. If the day comes that we are reborn once again, it'd be nice to play with you